Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rusty 78609 at Caballo Lake, New Mexico State Park, and it's right at 7 o'clock, and I'm into Beer 30 a little bit, but no problem. We're not going to do the Beer 30 thing I want to talk about. I want to give you an overview of the New Mexico gun laws, okay? Because here I am traveling in a state that, I don't know the real rules, but however, I did run into a, quote, deputy that lives and works in New Mexico, and he's fishing here at the park. And I talked to him for a few minutes about the law, and basically it's this. I'll give you a summary. Can you carry a weapon in your vehicle traveling from another state? Yes. Must you notify an officer if they stop you for any reason? No. Can you carry a weapon in a state park? Yes. These are general rules. Now, I'm not carrying a weapon. I'm not walking around here like Jesse James, you know what I mean? But apparently you can. New Mexico has some of the most liberal, or I don't know, conservative, I guess. They're really okay with the gun law things. Gun signs enforced. In other words, if you see a sign on a store that says no weapons allowed, don't do it. Open carry, yeah, you can open carry here in New Mexico if you're 18 or older. Yep, you sure can. Open carry means you can come around looking like Jesse James. Have I seen anybody wearing a weapon? Nope. Can you go in a restaurant with a weapon? Yep. And also, you can have a loaded weapon in your vehicle. You just have to kind of keep it out of sight. Like if you had to lay in the seat, just cover it up. And as far as a long gun, like a shotgun or a rifle, yeah, you can have those anywhere you want to in your RV, in your vehicle or whatever, and no problems at all. You can get a license to do different things if you want to. But basically, for people traveling to New Mexico, you're good to go with pretty much anything in the way of handguns and weapons. I mean, again, I'm not carrying the weapon on me. I don't have a concealed license or need one. I'm not. If you're going to have a concealed weapon on your person, then you have to have a license in just about any state in the United States. Now, some states have open carry, like Arizona, New Mexico. I don't know that Texas does. If they do, I don't know much about it. The reason I don't know much about the gun laws in Texas, I never even really thought about them. But for those of you that are traveling and you want to know about gun laws, go on the internet. Check it out, because you'll find out that there's really, it says, do you need a concealed carry permit to have a weapon in your car? And the answer is no. Can a non-resident open carry in New Mexico? New Mexico does not have any specific laws allowing or generally disallowing open carry. Anyone 18 or older may openly carry a firearm. However, to carry in a vehicle on school or college, university property, one must be 19 or older, and I think they have to have a license. But be that as it may, I don't really worry about all that stuff. I just want to know that is it okay for me to protect myself? Yeah, they're pretty good with the castle law and the stand your ground stuff. So if you're in New Mexico, okay, it's okay for you to take care of yourself. Yeah, it's okay for you to defend yourself. Isn't that wonderful? Yeah, not many states do that. But anyway, I just thought I'd pass that along. For some of you that live here in New Mexico that are watching this video, and if you come up with something different than what I've said, or a rule that I didn't cover, please leave a comment, because I may be staying here for a while, and I will be at least for, I don't know, a month or two or three. I'm not sure how long I'll be here. I mean, I'm even looking at a second home base. I have been for a long time, because as I get older, I'll reach a point where I don't want to be moving around a lot. I'm already reaching the point where I'm not moving around a lot like I did before. And so that's not going to, it's not like you can take a pill and that goes away. No, it doesn't, ladies and gentlemen. When you get older, you just get old, and that's it. So anyway, I've been checking on some places, and I'm checking on that now. And, yeah, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, as far as protecting yourself in New Mexico, yeah, it says does New Mexico have a stand your ground law? It says according to the New Mexico stand your ground law, a person who is threatened with an attack need not retreat. It is the exercise of his right of self-defense. He may stand his ground and defend himself. Under New Mexico law, the defendant's perception of the threat must have been reasonable. In other words, you got to have reasonable cause, and you know what that is, don't you? Yeah, does New Mexico have the castle law? That's another one. How it says castle law doctrine has been established on a limited basis by a 1946 New Mexico Supreme Court ruling, which states that when a person reasonably feels threatened with an attack, need not retreat. It is the exercise of his right of self-defense. He may stand his ground and defend himself. Hallelujah, New Mexico. I love it. So anyway, there's probably a lot more I don't know. It says is carrying a gun in my backpack concealed. It says, now this is not just for New Mexico, this is Montana and other places. It's illegal to carry or bear a concealed weapon upon the individual's person, a pistol, revolver, blah, blah, blah. As far as carrying a firearm in a purse, bag, backpack, or case, states do not prohibit such carry. So, but again, you better check with law enforcement on that sort of thing, because this is just general info. But again, in New Mexico, you can actually protect yourself. Isn't that wonderful? Can you imagine that? People can defend themselves here without fear of being put in prison for life for protecting their own life. But anyway, having said that, guys, I like New Mexico. I've been here for a while. I've been here for nearly a month now, believe it or not. And I'll be moving here in a few days, and I'll update you as things proceed on finding another home base. I've got some irons in the fire in this area, and we'll see how they mature. But anyway, having said that, guys, from New Mexico, this is Rusty78609 saying thumbs up, carpe diem, adios, bye-bye, buy anything you want, anytime you want. But if you think about it, use the link to Amazon products in the description of all my videos. I appreciate that. And for those of you that are and have, thank you very much. I sincerely appreciate that. Drink plenty of water. 3 or 4 quarts a day won't hurt you. It'll help you avoid gout, kidney stones, all that stuff. Basically, keep your health, guys. Drink plenty of water, stretch, walk, take deep breaths, relieve stress, you know what I mean? Stand guard at the door of your mind, and, all those simple little things that are free to, enjoy your life. And, the whole thing is your health. And as you get older, like me, you begin to realize that, if you take care of yourself when you're in your 40s and 50s, when you get to be in your 60s, 70s, and 80s, who knows? You may be okay. So having said that, adios amigos, accentuate the positive, carry on, and it's nice to know you can protect yourself in New Mexico. How wonderful. Adios.